What is up, guys? Mr. Rusky here. Today I'm going to show you how to cut your own hair at home on a DIY basis. So first off, what we need for this is just an average type clipper like this one, and then a few guards.
What I'm planning to do here is I'm going to almost shave off from the temples here and go around like this, almost close to the skin. And on the left side here, on the left temple and this side, I'm going to leave a little bit more, so it's going to be like, it's going to go like this. So first off, I'm going to start off with the top of my head. The biggest guard I have available, which is number 6, and it's 18 millimeters. And I'm going to go from the left forward, like this, okay? So what I'm doing here is just cutting the extra long hair that are probably in the way, just to make them even out, and not so long, as you can imagine. Now it looks pretty cool, and my hair, as you can see, it stands on end in and of itself. Bottom to top, clip number 4, and that's 12 millimeters. What I'm trying to achieve here is that I want to have an even look on the top here, because I'm going to clip off anything which is below this line, and I'm going to go like this. And the same thing in the back. So any long hair that you have are going to get clipped. Same thing actually on the left hand side. We're going to even out all the long hairs so that they are aligned and nothing sticking out from the grass. So I'm going against the grain here, from the bottom to the top. So let's move over to number 3. 9 mil with a gun. Move over to clipper to guard number 2, 6 millimeter. Right side, bottom to top again. But make sure you don't go any higher than this one. So it's going to be almost no hair on the right side. I'm going to cut close to the top here. It's going to be almost a clean shave on this side, going like around here. This is the smallest guard I'm going to use on the right side. It's 3 millimeters. Again, I'm going to move from the bottom to the top, like this. I'm going to clip it close. Is that it's going to be almost clean shaven on the right side, and I'm going to leave a little bit more hair on the left side. So there's going to be no on here, but make sure you don't go very high with that. Just the tip. Just the tip of the hairline growth that you have, we are going to clip it off. So it has a very even and a very nice look to it. And this side doesn't matter because I'm going to shave off the rest of it with no guard attached. And this side is going to remain like this. What I'm going to do is just give it a little bit of a fade look. And that's pretty nice. Yeah, I kind of like it. Let's just get the right side a little bit of a even fade. And I'm going to use number 2 just to go a little bit like this, even out the shorter and the longer hair. So to give it a bit of a nice fade transition from the bottom to the top. So I'm going to go all the way around here like this. Not too high. Clip off a little bit. The top here looks a bit uneven. And this side, that's pretty cool. Can do it like this. Alright, let's do this. And what I'm going to do is move the cutters to make them a little bit longer, like this.
Now, let's even out the clipper.
Make a parting here. Yeah. I could probably make it all the way to the bottom, but it's pretty hard to do it in the mirror. But this here, you can use wax or gel or something to make them stand up, to make it stand on end. What I'm going to use is just a sprinkle of water to demonstrate. Yep, like this. So it has a pretty nice fiery look. Like you got your head on fire. So this is it, guys. Mr. Rusty with a haircut, with a quick do-it-yourself, do-it-at-home haircut that you can do easily. Let's hope you like it. If you did, drop a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Take it easy.